You might be asking this question many times. Which certification is good for me? Java or Python? The current job trend requires full-stack development skills. So you must have both Java and Python certifications. Your CV will be more valuable than non-certified candidates. Freshers or students can take Python entry-level certification, PCEP, plus either Java junior level or associate level certification. Professionals can take Python associate level certification, PCAP, plus either Java SE11 or Java SE17 developer certification. Senior professionals can take Python professional level certification, PCPP, plus OCP Java EE7 application developer. Set goals for your Java or Python study plan at MyExamCloud. Start your certification preparation. Join MyExamCloud and start your certification preparation.